Good wishes, dear students. The concept you will be learning in today's class is numericals based on chemical kinetics chapter. It's taken from page number 231, question number 30. A first order reaction is 40% complete in 15 minutes. Calculate the value of the rate constant. In what time will the reaction be 80% complete? So two questions are given. The information, it's a first order type of reactions. You have to calculate the rate constant for the first order. Based on the rate constant, calculate how much of time will it take for the completion of a 80% of the reaction. The first condition is for 40% of the reaction. So the given information, it's a first order type of reactions. 40% of the reaction completion requires 15 minutes. So you have to calculate for 80% of the completion of the reaction, the time required. So as you know, the formula for a first order rate constant for the first order reaction is 2.303 by T into log of A naught by AT. When I taught you the derivations, I've told you very clearly A naught stands for initial concentration, AT stands for concentration after some time. For the easy way of understanding the numericals, you can consider to be A by AX. A stands for initial concentration, A minus X stands for concentration after some time. So if you substitute these conditions here, initially because you're talking about the percentage, initial percentage is 100%. After some time, A minus 40, that's 100 minus 40. For 60% we have to calculate. Similarly for 80, initially 100%. After sometimes when you say 100 minus 80 gives you 20%. Now substituting these conditions, the first conditions where the time is given to you, K is equals to 2.303 by 50 because time taken is 15 minutes, log of A naught by AT. A naught is 100, that's A value, A minus X is 6 value. When you simplify, you get log of 1.666 here. So I have taught you already in two links, one on how to calculate the log value, the other one how to calculate the anti-log value. And when I did the numericals based on solid state, detailedly I have done how to calculate the log value, how to subtract it, and how to find out the anti-log and move the place value. So I'm not going detailedly here. I've just given you the answer. Working out, if you are not able to understand, kindly put your question in the comment section. I will respond to you immediately. So the K value we get to be 0.010218 minute inverse. Why are we writing minute inverse? The video link based on the unit of rate constant I have given clearly. For the first order, it's a second inverse if second is the time given. Since the question is given in terms of minutes for us, we are writing minute inverse. So the first condition, you have calculated the value for the rate constant. Now making use of that value, you have to calculate for the 80% of the completion, what is the time required. That is 0.010218. The K value that you've got is equals to 2.303 by T 80% log of A naught by AT. T80 we are going to calculate. So interchange the place value, K value comes to the denominator. Log of 100 by 20. You know from where am I getting this 20? Substituting, you get 157.54 minutes. When it is in the U rate constant, you write minute inverse, time only in minute. Based on the same concept, you are given another question. Question number 22 taken from page 229. It's an objective type of question. If 75% of the first order reaction was completed in 60 minutes, 50% of the reaction under the same conditions would be completed in. The previous question clearly they have given the two conditions, 40% of completion, 80% of the completion. For 1% of completion they have given you the timing. For the second one they were asking. To find out this, you have to calculate the rate constant. Now in this question, they have not asked you to calculate the rate constant, but you have to calculate only then for 50% we can calculate the timing. The same conditions, T 75% requires 60 minutes. 50% we are going to calculate. What type of order reaction? First order reaction. So formula per rate constant for a first order reaction is 2.303 by T log of A naught by AT. A naught by AT, how can you write it as A by A minus 6? When the concept of two different completion percentage is given, this method you can implement. It will be easy for you to work out the answer. A is 100, so 100 minus 75, 25%. Here A is 100, but my X value is 50, so 100 minus 50 gives you 50 as the answer. So based on the first condition, substitute, you get the value to be K is equals to 0.0231 minute inverse, you get it. Based on this K value, calculate the time required for a T 50%. All you have to do is interchange the value, you get it here. When you simplify, you get a log 2. Here again find out the log, substitute the values, you get 30.014, which can be rounded off and taken to be 30 minutes. Hence option B is the answer. So the numericals are not difficult. Once again I am stressing the point. If you know how to make use of the log book, finding out the values for the given numericals is very easy. I did not write purposely because I want you all to work out and cross check if you are getting the same answer. If anybody feels that I should substitute the values and tell you, please put your comment in the comment section. Now based on the same type, example 4 from page number 216 they have given. A first order reaction takes 8 hours for 90% of the completion. Calculate the time required for 80%. As I told you in the earlier classes, when I work out the numericals, I usually select the similar type of it. So if you look at it, the previously two questions that I showed all of the same type, calculating the time required. 2% condition they have given. So you have to make use of the details that are provided. Calculate the K value. Once you calculate the K value, substitute here. Calculate the time required for the second condition. So when I interchange, finally we get the value to be 5.59 hours. Thank you.